please welcome to the stage Gail and Bruce Montgomery.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
And when we talk about the shared language of improv, we talk about supporting each other at all costs, which means we, not me.
We focus on the brain. We are passionate and are interested in neuroscience.
What's really important about relationships is it's still between a human and a human. We seem to forget that.
In 1970, the White House Economic Institute did a study, and the number one reason people were leaving businesses and taking their business elsewhere was rudeness or apathy, or some subset of that.
You'll notice that qualifier of and. If you want somebody's brain to shut down, say but in this sentence. And then they're gonna have a microdose of cortisol, and then it's gonna be a fight.
So how can we fix it? So for us, it's really about building your business relationship intelligence. And that is all-encompassing of having an improv mindset, having that flexibility and agility, having emotional intelligence, and increasing that. It is a journey, not a destination, and it should be a lifelong one. And then finally, empathy. A beautiful byproduct of that influence we were talking about.
Be as creative as possible. And we say that out loud, it sounds like, well, of course I'm gonna be creative. Simply by telling you that, there were 3 separate studies that were done, you're gonna be 15% more creative because we said you could be.
It turns out that you can change the number of ideas that you have, and simply by changing the number of ideas, that one measurement, you are more likely to have a good, sticky, more impactful idea.
That's why we want you to be thinking like a kindergartner today, because anything is possible. So today is not about how, it's about what is needed to make technology at Xero exceptional.
Yeah! All right, great. You may sit back down.
That is my boss right there. In case you didn't know, we're married.
Yes, thank you. Woo! All right. So everyone, welcome Scotty from Star Trek.
Oh, that's right. I'm shooting from the hip here.
And your superpower?
I come from a place of humor. I love to laugh. That's just the way I'm bent. And so even in stressful situations, I will try to come from a place of humor.
And what's your kryptonite?
People who don't come from a place of humor. No, I'm kidding.